Film! Back. Back in action. Oh, look at that. How convenient. Perfect. Come back, buddy. Cheers, guys. Keen.
Yeah.
Jabi. Yes. So if you're in Yalis, come see Bogle. Best in the business. Yes, sir. All right, see you, Bogle. It's pumping, bro. Yeah, it's all gone. Jackfruit. Whoa, so sweet. Morning, Kelly. Come here, baby. Kelly, I haven't seen you in months. You're looking good. Let's go see your kids. So my goat Kelly had 2 kids, and here they come. That's Keto the dog and 1 kid. Hey Keto, you got big, Keto. You got so big. What's this one's names? This is Kitty. This is Kitty. Hi, Kitty. And there's another one around here somewhere. Ah! There's Finey. This is awesome. There they go. Back to mama. So Kitty and Finey. Looking good, guys. Here, Kelly. You guys are so chill. Wow.
Normal, but I put out some wicked video, you know. And I hide place like Jacko Jack. Jack good and I cook good, but no fish.
We got to see your face, Jacko Jack.
I mean,
show yourself.
Yeah. Show your face.
We're chopping up some nice orange. Yeah, it's a new style for 2022. Orange peel lifestyle.
Yeah, nature style.
Scent good. Look good. Yeah. Yeah, it's a good look. So sweet, like a candy. Mm-hmm. Mm. So caught with a line today?
Yeah.
Those are big. Those are tom-tom.
Yeah, that's now.
They're huge.
Yeah, that's right now.
That's crazy, man, because we were swimming today and we saw all of them underwater.
Matthew, I just put out the line and then after now, I wait a few seconds and then after now, it pull and I pull it back and it was this one.
Oh my. Okay, we got to do a full-on video about that for sure. Right, Two-Face?
When?
Tomorrow. All right. Good job.
Matthew, excuse me, please.
Okay.
Because I'm sending this skateboard down. It's on the record.
That's a huge bunch, man. All open too. Yeah. Can you get it all in one? Crazy. No, leave those ones. These are my two kids, goat kids, and Mama Kelly is over in the bushes that way. But this is Kitty. I didn't name him. Rati named him. Hey Kitty, what you eating on here? Some nice bush. Classic bush muncher. And this is Finey. Hey Finey. Finey's the girl. She goat. Finey, come here. Come here, Finey. Meh, meh. So shy. Calm down, Finey. Come here. Fine. Come on. Hey, Kelly. What's up, Kel? Your kitties are down there. Meh.
When the root of the truth, just all MOKKO farmer black, ganja farm we got, and we can't stop from plant the crop. All farmer black, ganja farm we got, and we not go stop. Just call a all farmer black, ganja farm we got, for me not go stop from plant the crop. All farmer black, ganja farm we got, and we now go stop.
Not for my style.
You need shinier style. I can see myself. Slick. Yes. This is the weirdest chocolate tree I've ever seen. That chocolate fruit growing like 6 inches from the ground. All the way up the trunk. All the way up the trunk.
Come to me. What you mean with that? See the chocolate.
Thank you.
Eat there with the spice in it.
Okay.
And this. Lola, take this here and feed him.
Oh, thank you. So I got cinnamon bush, chocolate.
And this to put in it.
Oh, what's this part?
That orange.
Orange skin.
Orange peel.
Okay.
You take a piece and put in it. And you sprinkle little of the spice in it. When you're ready for go home, me go and get 2 bags of spice put in the chocolate. That's when you go where you live, you get it sprinkled in the tea. When you get the chocolate, put a fire.
Okay, perfect. Thank you.
Yes, so you got that bush to boil what tea you want till you're ready for left yourself.
Clean fish. Good eating. And it's time to get that fire going. Yeah. Oh.
Yeah.
You were a dog. Yeah.
Manners, boss.
Oh, look.
When I come here, I go to find something called
We got Crocs, and then we got Crocs. That's a big boy.
That's Rogue.
What's his name? Rogue. Just hang with some Crocs here. Jamaican crocs hanging out.
Say that croc come in and large of the ring. I'm sure, you know.
2-year-olds. These will stay, that's why we enlarge the enclosure. And they will stay till September, October this year before we start to release those. These are all bred in captivity. All of these animals are bred in captivity, so we don't keep them. They have to go back to the wild. Oh, Bob,
All right, this is Pirate. He's from Morant Bay Rescue. And yeah, we surf kind of around there. And I did not know that they were hanging out in the river mouths. Keem. Wow. It's okay, Pirate.
I think I can settle him down. He's okay with me. I mean, don't mess around with him too much. He doesn't like to be troubled. I mean, he will come after you. If he doesn't want you in the enclosure, he's gonna chase you. And I've had them since now. It's time for him to go out, so he sent some out already. Oh, I've put a few out. So you can see this creature here. Primed up. Come. Come on. You see he's holding back? He's really wound up. See?
Should I back up?
Yeah, yeah. He doesn't know you at all. Back up. Go back up. What? Just go back up that way and watch. And see what happens.
Oh.
You never thought you see people do this with a wild crocodile? Well, it's not wild, really.
Just having a shower. It's a casual day. They're warming up. They're getting happier.
Yeah, they're getting warm.
You're getting chill now. Looking good, guys. Looking good. Yeah. They're all hanging together.
Nobody's going to trouble him.
No. Just taking a walk with Lawrence here, and yeah, we're in Jamaica, and there are wild crocodiles around. Little guy, but soon to be a big guy. Wow, man. He always hangs here by the bridge?
Yeah, we've got about 3 or 4 of them on the canal here, this section. We're going to clean it out though, so they'll be all right though.
Yeah.
We're careful. That is nice, isn't it?
Yeah.
I'm gonna do it with this one.
Okay. Sounds like you're scratching on a turntable. Apples. Kitty. What's going on, Kitty? Skelly. Finey. Big up to everyone at Angola restaurant. You got shipwrecks, you got cannons, you got islands, seafood. Let's see that conch? Huge. Hold it up.
Yeah?
It's giant. It's like a 10-pounder. More.
Oh, yeah. I'm gonna wash it out the room. I'm gonna wash it out there.
Just massive. These ones. These ones.
And a new video me I put out again.
That next time we come back.
Yeah man, cornmeal, mixed with bongo peas. And also saltfish too. And also pop chow too.
It'll be more like
Vegetarian, yeah, some balls.
and it's soft,
Yeah man, with coconut juice man. You will see the video when it come out man. Wicked is blood clot video no?
Those are looking perfect. Ew. Yes. Just a chill Monday afternoon under the chocolate tree. Got the hammock. Got the Kindle. We got Boogie, aka Bugsy. Hey, Buggy. What is happening? Get out, chaos. Boogie. I guess it's time to get up. What? Viney, what's going on? Kitty. You good goat? Yeah. Hey, Kelly. Where are you? Oh, you're over there. What's up, Kelly? Cane toad, busted. Sorry, buddy. This is invasive species cane toad. So people ask me how much is food and stuff in Jamaica. Some stuff is really cheap, some is actually very expensive. So grapes, that is about $10 for that small amount of grapes. 4 tiny apples for like $5. These are so small. But on the other hand, you get a huge bag of calorie for about $1.50 or less. Carrots, $2 for like 10 baby carrots. That's kind of expensive. Then you get a cabbage for like $1. So I know, kind of evens out, depends what you're getting. But the tropical stuff definitely. You get no jerk pork. Nori, Bella. Oh, hey guys. What's up? What's up? Oh, what a greeting. Oh my God, it's going. Yeah. Yeah. Damn. Yeah! This fucking guy honking ruined it, man.
God, just walk up like that.
Lurkers. Lurkers can be a problem anywhere in the world. Oh yeah. Cal. Where's the kids? Where'd kids go? Where did they go? You don't know? Are they on the river? You don't know? Okay. Okay. Let me go see. Are you eating bark? Whoa.
Tomato,
Tomato and pop
chow.
And a bit of spice.
And a bit of spice.
Feel the kick, man. We're feeling the kick. We're here with Ben Bernie.
Yeah. Bless up.
Delicious breakfast. Plantains that we grew, I think.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Hell yeah. We got Dave Bernie on the mug
Oh yeah.
with MOKKO from probably 15 years ago.
Respect.
Yeah.
Big up, Dad.
And then the classic Ras Kitchen one, and then yeah, this is amazing. MOKKO's cooking with a little more spice lately, I swear. Would you say so, MOKKO? Whatever you want.
Yeah, it surprised me this morning. Nice amount of spice.
Oh, yeah.
Nice,
Perfect.
spice.
Yeah, I like it.
Anyway. Hope you have a good morning too. Bless up.
Have a good morning. Weed, coffee, lemongrass going right here now.
Yeah. These are the tea men.
Yes.
I'm a tea man, but today I'm a coffee man.
Going coffee.
Yeah.
Have a good day.
Have a good day.
Have a good day.
Cheers.
Everyone out there.
To everyone in the world.
Yes, I.
Yeah.
Respect.
Make sure to hydrate. Get your bush tea, coffee, whatever. Oh, I got my athletic greens, you know. Liquids. Liquids are important.
Babylon liquid. This man, Peter, give me one nice one thing, you know, blue, you know.
Yeah.
Free from Babylon, I impost, give it to me, you know. And but it got a little, like a little teeny hole on it. So I print that one over and get free from Babylon. So I got two.
Yeah.
One blue, the pants for the blue one, and a red, and the red all the way, because I have millions of reds.
Hell yeah.
Yeah, man.
Big up PETA from
Yeah,
Longboarder,
man.
the famous Longboarder.
Yeah.
Our buddy. Free from Babylon. I gotta show him this.
Yeah. Then I go back and rewind it, print it over, you know?
In a new style.
That new style, not red.
Hell yeah.
Yeah. So now, the next one I want to put out now, what I go with me have been there, purple like that, Hyman beam. I have the printer, you know, so anything when I want to print, man, it's there, man.
Skillful. Yes. You cooking orange? What, how come you cook it? Oh, is this how you make it for the hot chocolate?
And this, people know that it's apple. But you see, next time, just like this, we're gonna steam it with rice. Watch out, please. The rice and gungo peas, we're gonna steam the apple.
Hell yeah.
Cook down the rice and peas. You all the guests, you see it looks simple, but it's great.
Different kind of apple, different one.
Jamaican apple we are gonna use. And steam for breakfast.
Nice.
the next video, them when you say come out Jamaican apple. Hope.
Slow pace. Bit of traffic today. This is Sunning Hill traffic. Move! Move! Get out the way! Get out the way! Get out the way! Yo, Joe, check out this Rolls Royce. I don't know what year it is, but damn, you would dig it. Just sick. Badass. And this one too. So sick.
In it. Try to get this bun finger.
Looking hard.
So he chase away the female.
Okay.
He doesn't want the female to come here to drink. He want the female to go to those flowers.
Classic move.
Yeah.
Playing games. Classic male behavior.
Mm-hmm.
Don't want to stop drinking it. Yeah. But it's not like something you normally can see around. You don't know the bushes, you're never going to get that good.
What's your finger food, boss?
My finger them immune to this. It's my specialty right so.
Watch your eye. Oh, you got your safety. You got your
Got the safety
glasses.
equipment on.
Oh,
no. Yeah man, it's spraying up to the nice and fresh.
morning from the freaking skate park, Jamaica. Beautiful place. But the coolest thing is the wildlife. What's up, guys? Whoa! Did you get it? No! Fucking fuck. Again. So I'm in Kingston, got an Airbnb. Great location, only one small thing. It seems to have a bit of a pigeon issue. Now, what would you rate this place?